with fire-resistant true believers. Yeah, if it's the last thing that we do, we're gonna fly to the moon. You know the world's a big place, and so there's no time to waste. So if we aim for the sky, we won't have wasted our lives. She's got a black belt in karate and she drives a Maserati. Can you blame her? No. She says you only go round once, so do as much as you can. And Gabriella Sabatini in a silver Lamborghini would do nicely. Yeah, if the chance should come our way, won't let it slip through my hands. You know the world's a big place, so there's no time to waste. So if we aim for the sky, we won't have wasted our lives. Looking up you see a distant star, it makes you realize how small we are. Gotta let it go and you never get out of bed. I always said that you deserve much more, so come and join me on a guided tour. You gotta burn some rubber while you still got the dream. No time